Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the job safe. Park on level ground, chalk wheels, and disconnect the negative battery cable so no accidental power flows. You must have the refrigerant evacuated by a certified shop before you work on the compressor. That prevents injury and legal issues. Once done, remove the drive belt to access the compressor, unplug electrical connectors, and clear nearby hoses. Make sure you have a clutch kit and a proper pulley puller at hand so you can remove the clutch components without damaging the compressor. You now remove the pulley and clutch plate. First, lock the compressor rotor with an appropriate holding tool or a strong offset wrench to prevent rotation. This keeps the shaft from turning while you work. Next, attach the pulley puller centered on the pulley and extract the pulley and bearing assembly straight off. Slow, even pressure prevents galling. Once the pulley is off, remove the snap ring and slide the clutch plate and rotor off the shaft. Inspect the shaft for wear and clean the mating surfaces before installing new parts. You install the replacement parts by sliding the new rotor and clutch onto the clean shaft and torquing the center nut to the manufacturer specification so the air gap remains correct. Make sure to replace the pulley bearing if it showed play. Improper bearings cause clutch failure. Reinstall the pulley, belt, and reconnect electricals. After reassembly, have the AC system evacuated and recharged, then start the engine and test the clutch engagement. If the clutch does not engage, check coil resistance, ground, and fuse before assuming mechanical failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.